Have you noticed your phone battery draining faster than usual? You might be facing a hidden problem. Today we will explore the 100-loop phone battery drain. This issue affects many phone users, yet few know about it. By the end of this video, you'll understand its causes, impact, and solutions. Let's start with what the 100-loop is. When your phone battery charges to 100%, it may continue to show it. But in the background, there could be a constant battle occurring. This battle finds your phone trapped in a loop, leading to unnecessary battery drain. Now let's break this down into 7 easy steps. First, we understand the symptoms. These symptoms include sudden battery drain, overheating, and app malfunctions. Next, we will examine the causes. The 100 loop can occur due to software updates, background apps, or battery health issues. Then, we will identify how to check if this loop is affecting you. We'll demonstrate using your phone settings to monitor battery usage. Fourth, we'll explain how to identify problematic apps. Some apps may consume more battery than others, contributing to the loop. Fifth, we will look at solutions. Keeping your phone's software updated is essential. Another solution involves closing background apps regularly. It's also important to manage your screen brightness and connection settings. Sixth, we'll discuss battery maintenance. Regularly check your battery's health in settings. Consider replacing old batteries when necessary. Finally, we'll reinforce troubleshooting steps for the 100 loop. Restarting your phone or performing factory resets can help too. Let's clarify these points further. Symptoms are easy to notice. If your phone constantly drops battery percentage, especially after reaching 100%, you might be affected. Next, software updates could be the cause. Sometimes, updates create bugs that lead to this battery drain. Background apps running can also create a loop, making your phone work harder and use more energy. To check for issues, go to Settings on your device. Look for battery usage and identify which apps use the most power. Some apps drain battery life even when not in use. When it comes to implementing solutions, updating your phone regularly can prevent issues. Close unnecessary apps running in the background. Also, managing screen settings like brightness and syncing significantly impacts battery life. Talking about battery maintenance, remember that every battery has a lifespan. Monitor your battery's health in your phone settings. If it's deteriorating, consider battery replacement. For troubleshooting, restart your device. This simple step can clear temporary bugs. If problems persist, consider a factory reset to restore original settings. Let's summarize what we learned today. The 100 loop causes rapid battery drain in smartphones. Symptoms include sudden drops in percentage and overheating. The causes can be software bugs, background apps, and battery health. To identify issues, check your phone's battery usage settings. Close excessive background apps and manage settings for efficiency. Keep checking your battery's health and replace if necessary. Lastly, rebooting your phone or resetting it can help. If you suspect you're facing the 100 loop issue, take action today. Ensure your phone's software is updated and check those background apps. Make those small changes and see if your battery life improves. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Share your experiences below in the comments. Let's create a community to address these common smartphone issues together.